Everyone is trying to block out the world right now with noise canceling, sealed earbuds, full isolation, but that's not always a good thing because sometimes you actually need to hear what's around you. And whether you're outside, you're working, or just moving through the day, that's where this type of earbud actually makes more sense. These are the Baseus MC2, and instead of sealing your ear all the way around, these use an open ear design that allows you to be aware of your surroundings because they are designed for daily use, not isolation. Let's go ahead and get started. And the first thing you notice when you put them on is that it sits in your ear and it doesn't go inside your ear canal. It wraps around it, and after a few minutes, you kind of forget that it's even there. All right, guys, first things first, the casing is very nice. It does look quite sophisticated and premium. The finishing touches are very nice. We have the USB-C charging at the bottom and the LED in the front. And I've never tried earbuds like this, designed like this. I was used to always, Apple, but these, once you put them on, you have to get used to that feeling. They don't go inside of your ear canal, which is great. They clip on, so that's gonna be good. And I can see why this won't fall if you're running, if you're doing sports, working out. It just fits perfectly. It feels comfortable. Does look quite nice. It's a different design. I've never had any like this. So now I'm gonna go outdoors and test them out. And what makes them different is a few factors like the all-day cloud light comfort, because this is where they stand out. They use a full wraparound structure with what they call a Cloud Comfort 2.0 air cushions. So instead of pressure in one spot, it distributes it evenly across your ear. And that means no tight feeling, no soreness over time, and no constant adjusting, and that's backed by the SGS and the TUE comfort certifications. And you also get multiple size options, so it fits different ear shapes more securely, and the extended C-bridge design that helps it stay in place without feeling stiff. And because of that design, it's actually very stable even during the movement running, walking, or just being active, and it stays in place without needing to push it back constantly. And with the IP67 resistance, sweat and water is not going to be an issue. Now, sound is where open ear usually falls short, but this is positioned differently because it's recommended by Grammy-winning audio professionals, and it uses the Super Bass 3.0, which builds an acoustic tuning experience from previous collaborations in the industry. And you also get the high-res audio and LDAC support, so you're getting higher detail over Bluetooth, plus a spatial audio, which adds more depth how everything sounds. So while it's not trying to replace sealed earbuds, it sounds fuller than you would expect from this type of design. And for calls and meetings, this uses a 4-mic system with beamforming technology, so it focuses on your voice while still reducing the background noise, and this makes it more usable in office settings, calls, or remote meetings. And when it comes to the battery life, you're getting around 11.5 hours on a single charge and up to 55 hours in total with the case, and the quick 10-minute charge gives you around 3 hours of playback, so it's built for all-day use without constantly thinking about the battery. Now, these earbuds are not about noise cancellation. I can still hear the background. I can still hear the traffic, the cars passing by, because this is not about the noise cancellation. This is about comfort, the fact that it doesn't go inside of your ear canal, because after a while that could start getting very uncomfortable. They work, they feel very comfortable, and the best part is that I'm still aware of my surroundings, just in case, but it feels comfortable, they look good, and they sound great. Now for this video, I got both the white and the black version, and they both look very nice. They feel premium, they're silky smooth, and they both come with the instruction manual, how to use it, how to connect, and everything comes nice and neat. It feels very premium once you get it out of the box. It also comes with 2 extra sizes for the earbuds, and you also get the charger cable, which is a USB-C that you can just simply plug it into the wall. And the best part about these colors is that they can blend in with your everyday outfits, so not only they sound great, but they also look great. Now, you also get smart controls via the app. You can just simply open it, connect it via Bluetooth, and then once you're inside, you're going to find a few options like the EQ levels and controls, and depending on what you're listening to, you can just switch it up to see what sounds better for you. And you also have the gesture settings where you can tap, double tap, or triple tap, and tap and hold for different settings. So if you want to find out if these make sense for you, these are going to be great if you don't like in-ear pressure, you want the all-day comfort, you need the awareness while listening, or you stay active throughout the day. But these are not those type of earbuds that you would want if you want the full isolation or heavy bass from sealed earbuds, because this is not the focus here. So to wrap it up, what this really does well is comfort over time, and not just for an hour, but throughout the entire day. That's something that most earbuds still struggle with. So if you want something that you can wear without constantly thinking about it, this is going to make a lot of sense. So if you're looking for something more comfortable and more practical for everyday use, These are the Baseus MC2 and definitely worth checking out. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you are interested, go ahead and check out the link in the description below because we have an exclusive discount for our viewers. Stay tuned for more content. Go ahead and smash the like button and subscribe to support the channel. See you guys on the next video.